Hey y'all, welcome back to Magnolia Moon. Alright, let's dive right in. First, grab a large bowl. We're gonna start by combining our star ingredient, 1 pound of fresh crab meat with half a cup of breadcrumbs. Add in 1 large egg, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now, for that essential kick, toss in a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Don't forget a quarter teaspoon each of salt and pepper to bring out all those flavors. Mix everything together gently so you don't break up those beautiful chunks of crab. Once it's all combined, form the mixture into 6 patties. They should hold together nicely. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat. When it's good and hot, place your patties in the skillet. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, perfect crab cakes. Serve them hot with some tartar sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon. They're perfect for any occasion, from a casual dinner to a fancy get-together. I can't wait to hear how this recipe turns out for y'all. Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.